In pest management, accuracy matters. Applying too much or too little pesticide can reduce effectiveness, waste product, or even breach legal label requirements. That's why equipment calibration is essential, especially with a handheld or pump-up spray unit. In this video, we'll show you how to calibrate your sprayer and calculate your walking speed to achieve the correct label rate. You need to start by reading the label of your chosen pesticide. Determine what the rate of application is. In this case study, we are using Biflex Micron. The pesticide label states that you must apply 1 liter of spray mix for every 10 square meters to a porous substrate. Note, the label mentions not to apply the product past the point of runoff. This is your target application rate, the standard you must match when calibrating your sprayer. Next, you will need to mark up the area specified on the label. In this case, we will mark an area 10 meters by 1 meter to make a surface area of 10 meters squared. We will ensure the substrate is porous, for example, concrete. You will also need a 1 liter jug, water, a timer and your pump-up spray unit. To test the area, we will use clean water and not pesticide emulsion. This is because you are learning the process and do not need to also worry about PPE. We measure how long it takes to discharge 1 liter of water at your normal operating pressure and trigger speed. In this test, it took 1 minute and 13 seconds, that's 73 seconds, to spray 1 liter. Keep this time handy, we'll use it to calculate your walking speed. Now we'll determine how fast you need to walk so that while spraying, you apply exactly 1 liter per 10 square meters. Step 1. The test area is 10 meters long and 1 meter wide. But because your spray pattern is only 33 centimeters wide, that means you must make 3 passes, each 10 meters long to cover the whole 10 meters squared area. Total distance equals 3 times 10 meters equals 30 meters. Step 2. You discharge 1 liter in 73 seconds. Time equals 73 seconds. Step 3. Walking speed equals distance divided by time equals 30 meters divided by 73 seconds equals 0.41 meters per second. Now it's time to practice applying pesticide at your calculated walking speed. In this case study, Lauren has to walk 0.4 of a meter every second. Your walking speed is the single most important variable you control during spraying. If you walk too fast, you'll cover more area before using 1 liter, meaning the surface receives less pesticide than the label rate. If you walk too slowly, you'll apply too much pesticide, which wastes product and increases the risk of overexposure or damage to surfaces. Maintaining a consistent pace ensures your application matches the label rate, meeting both legal and performance standards. Always read and follow the pesticide label. Calibrate your sprayer before each new product or nozzle change. Maintain consistent pressure and walking speed. Remember, as your pressure drops, so will the rate of application. Practice calibrating your spray unit prior to undertaking your assessment with your trainer and assessor. When applying your walking speed indoors, always maintain visual checks on your application rate. Do not apply to the point where the pesticide runs off the wall. Too much liquid spray will stain surfaces and could cause a slip hazard for customers. Not to mention, is against label recommendations.